This week on DevKit Weekly, we're going to take a look at the MVP series fanless modular computers from ADLINK. Hello developers and welcome to DevKit Weekly. I'm Ken Briota, Senior Technology Editor at Embedded Computing Design. Industrial embedded computers are critical to IoT, AI, machine learning, and edge computing applications thanks to their optimized bandwidth, low latency, flexibility, scalability, and reliability, paired with advanced security and privacy tools, of course. In the ADLINK MVP, we find all these benefits in the rugged and highly customizable 5200 and 6200 series. Both of these are designed with modular form factors and equipped with 12th or 13th gen Intel Core and Celeron processors. They are designed to perform particularly well in edge computing and edge AI applications in smart manufacturing and warehouse, but that's only a start, thanks to their Intel R680E chipset and available scaling with an ADLINK Adaptive Function Module slot, the ability to incorporate GPU cards, and 4 SODIMM sockets for portability and compatibility. They have up to 128 gigs of DDR5 memory that operates at 3600 megahertz for increased capacity and bandwidth, 2 SATA interfaces for storage. The 6200 has a third available as an option, and they both support Windows or Ubuntu Linux OS. The other major differentiator between the two is that the 6200 series is more customizable with 6 available included backplane extension slots. You can see here that there is no shortage of ports available on the front of these machines, including 2 display ports, 2 HDMI ports, 6 COM ports, 6 USB ports, 8-channel digital I/O, audio, 6 SMA antennas for Wi-Fi and 5G, and 3 2.5 gig Ethernet ports with TSN support. And all this in a wall-mountable, ruggedized box that is designed for 24/7 operation at temperatures -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. That's -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for us Americans. Friends, the long and the short of it is that if you're looking for a powerful, customizable, rugged, fanless computer to be the engine driving your edge AI applications, the MVP-5200 or 6200 could certainly do the job. Now, if you'd like to get your own MVP, you can request quotes for either series from ADLINK at adlinktech.com, just like you see here on the screen. Check the video description for the direct product links, and you can check out either one of these directly. Please like and share this video, and make sure you're subscribed so you never miss an episode of any of our shows. That's all for this edition of DevKit Weekly. I've been Ken Briota with Embedded Computing Design, and as always, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next edition of DevKit Weekly.